Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can turn on or off parental control on Roblox. So to get started, first of all go ahead and make sure that you have installed Roblox application on your mobile phone. Once it's done, go ahead and tap on it. Now you'll be appear with the home page of Roblox. And on the bottom right corner you can see the three dots. Go ahead and tap on it. Now scroll all the way down and here you can see the option settings. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you will be appear with the several options. Among them is the parental controls. Go ahead and tap on it. And here you can see parental control is disabled. Go ahead and enable it. And when you enable it, you'll get a pin which can be accessed only by you by being parent. And when you want to disable it, just go ahead and disable it by just tapping on that button. And that's all guys. This is how easily you can turn on or off parental control on Roblox. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.